Hi, welcome to Possum Hollow. I'm Eric Sinclair. I'm the owner with my wife Michelle. Today I'd like to show you our rimfire bore guide and a few other bore guides, but um, there's a lot of different rimfires. None of the rimfires will really interchange. One size fits all doesn't really work. Um, Ours is simple, solid piece of Delrin. It's machined just to match your bolt. So you just pull your trigger and remove your bolt. You'll have to line it up so you can pull your trigger again, and you'll have to watch out for that ejector because you'll have to get your bore guide right around the ejector and then just push it straight forward. Once you have it in there, everything's going to be in line, so when you run your rod in here, it starts right through and just slips right in. You can't screw up your rod. Your rod's not gonna bend too much. It's just an added safety. There's no sharp edges like there is in the rimfire actions. The worst part about a rimfire action is the ejector. We just mill a cut, and that goes up past your ejector. Almost every rimfire has an ejector. Some are cut more than others, but it's just a great tool to keep everything in line so you don't scratch these rods. And these rods are expensive, anywhere from 28 to 40 bucks. So there's really no limit. Here I just have my 22-250. It's a Remington 788, big F-class gun. Simply push your bore guide in there. The harder you push it in, the farther it's going to go because it's going to seal on that taper of your cartridge. This one also has an integral solvent port and a rod bushing. The bushing centers everything so you can't really go wrong and run it through. It's a little bit more time consuming to clean this way. It's not my preferred way, but it is an option if it's something that you're interested in. That little next step, it will help a little bit. Here we just have the Marlin 336. It's not that difficult. It's a little scary for some people to think about taking their guns apart, but it's not that difficult. It's just a matter of taking out one screw, the screw that holds the lever into place. Your lever will come right out. Hold the hammer down. You'll be able to pull your bolt right out of the gun. You're going to hold your hammer down, wiggle it in just past your ejector, and it'll slide right into place. Now, once you've got it there, your rod cannot get scratched. You cannot scratch your action. You will not bang into your chamber. It'll go right straight through there just like you want it to. It's just an easy fix. Sooner or later you've got to clean them. You can clean them from the muzzle if you like, but with the bore guide it's just that much easier. Here we have our AR-15. It's just we make a couple tools for it. We make, of course, a bore guide for that. We also make a cleaning link. And what that link does is basically just link your upper receiver to your lower receiver, so it stays rigid when you're cleaning. Now when you slip your bore guide in there, everything is lined up. There's no way you can scratch your rod. There's no way you're going to damage your barrel. Everything is in perfect line. It's a handy thing to have. We make them for 250 different rifle cartridge combinations, and specials are not a problem. It's something that actually we enjoy making. Here I have just my Thompson Contender and 22 Hornet. We make a little bore guide for that to keep everything aligned. Simply slips in, twist it, and it's all set. Everything is perfectly in line, so you can't damage your rod or your barrel. We also make muzzle bore guides for contenders, where if you had a 357 or a 22 rimfire, we can protect your barrel no matter what you're shooting. Just about everything we've got a fix for, and if we don't, we'd love to try to figure it out. So check us out at PossumHollowProducts.com, the cleaning and reloading store, and look for us on Facebook. Thank you. Bye-bye.